You need to scratch off the top 200 millimeters on your track. Digging deep is a waste.
I got it! I got it! Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh, God. Dude. Oh, victory.
What the fuck?
Oh, I heard a clank. I heard a clank, and then I saw black, and I was like, yo, we hit black gold. We hit black gold.
Give me a hug. Whoopie?
Fuck. Well, I gotta plug it in and charge it.
Wait.
Shit's dead as fuck.
We're already here. Oh, there, yeah. Let's finish the mission.
Oh, the haunted shit?
Yeah, Mom, we're streaming.
Fuck it. Oh, God, that was... Oh, dude, I thought I was fucked. Thank God. For all the motherfuckers who said karma in the chat, eat my dick. Thank God.
We wouldn't out here if we didn't fucking want to find it. That's all we could say.
Paul M super chatted $2.
Give me a
no
second.
way, bro,
Hold on.
that's insane.
Hold this.